Hello watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial I will guide you how you can set the image in the Google form, and for doing this you have to learn how to crop image as well as how to adjust the size of the image. That things will be very important because the many people they know how to add question, but they get problem once the paper is descriptive based. In the descriptive based paper, many time it is better if you make the image and upload into the Google form. That will be the easiest way for you. So here I guide you how you can crop and adjust the image, and then later on you can easily upload the image into the Google form. So first here, as you are aware in the Google form, so you just click on the plus icon. So here I am assuming this thing you understood. Here you write suppose particular organization name, and your subject will be here, so that we are assuming English. And here suppose you are writing question, so here suppose you want to give the passage. So whenever you make the descriptive question, this thing will be difficult for many people. So here suppose your passage is there, so you can see here in the question part, suppose it's first question, read the following passage. Read the following passage. So what happen here, I want passage. So what happen, you can click it here, and after clicking it there you can search the passage in internet, but most of the time what happen, you take it from either textbook or you do the typing work into the computer. So if already the ready-made image that you already made, you can take it from your device, upload and browse option, and you can select that, it will be loaded. So here before doing this I will tell you how you can play with the image. So here I will tell you the many way, 2 to 3 ways I will tell you here. Suppose you have written some information, you have already the passage that is written, and you want to upload into the Google form. So what you are supposed to do, you have to just do print screen. You have to press print screen key from your keyboard, and then you straight away open the paint option. Once you open the paint, you have to paste. For that I am pressing Ctrl V. Okay, you can select the paste option, and once you do that, you have to select here select option. Whichever portion you want, you have to select that, and then you can do it crop. So that is the way. And if you want to reduce or increase the size, you have done crop. Now means cropping means what, to delete the boundary area, to delete the unwanted portion, outer unwanted portion. Once you did the crop, you have to use resize option. It's better if you select the pixel. Okay, so here in the pixel these options are important. Suppose here I want to reduce the size, so I am doing 300 here. Once you reduce the size, the offset will be already adjusted. If you don't want to maintain, if you don't want to if means manually you want to give horizontal and vertical pixel value, you have to unclick that. Suppose here it is 300 and upside I want suppose 400. That is the horizontal pixel and vertical. I will click on OK, and you observe here the size of the image got reduced. And if you want to increase, you have to give the larger number there. And the last step is you have to save. You have to click on save as and save in your desktop. So here I am giving the name ABC, and finally save in your desktop. Once it is saved in the desktop, you have to open the Google form, and here you click on the image option, and in the image option you simply select the upload. As it is selected by default, click on the browse option, and in the browse option, as I store into the desktop, and the image file name was ABC. So now I am uploading this. So once it is uploaded, you see the passage will be looking very good, student can understand easily, and the paper format in the Google form will be easily done. And here, as we have put the question, read the following passage. And what happened, student will read this passage, and on the basis of that, whatever the questions will be there, that you can put it here. Actually it is there, some options are there. These options you can change it in other options. You just select here plus, and here it is by default multiple choice. So here you can select whichever the option that you want. Okay, so suppose I am selecting short answer. Then here read the following passages there. You can write here sub question like A, XYZ, means it depend on the English teacher. This is my first question, and student will write the answer here. Then later on, as I already click on plus, you can write on the basis of passage. You can write here second question. For that you can give the instruction here, read the following passage and solve questions A to D. Means such kind of instruction you have to put, the things will be easy. So we have already put a question, student will write answer here. Then here you can put question number B, find. Again I am writing just anything, it depend on English teacher, whatever the question he will say. And here you can give the options, whichever the option you want. Or suppose the teacher want paragraph, student will give the answer in paragraph. So that thing you understood. So in this way you can post image, or you can post the passage easily in the Google form. And I just suggest you here, it is better if you refer the Paint. And if you are not comfortable with the Paint, I am telling you one more option at the end. Suppose my image is ABC, you just right click there and select the open with option. In open with option you can select Microsoft Office 2010. So here in the Microsoft Office 2010 you select edit picture, and you can select here crop, so that you can crop the outer portion, means you can delete the outer portion of the image. Once it is done, click on OK. Again you click on edit picture, you can click on then here resize option. As I told you, here you write the aspect ratio. It is suppose I am selecting 300 and this is 768. So just click on OK. You see the size got increased. Then finally you have to save this. Once it is saved, then you can upload that image into the Google form. So I told you two way, one is in Paint and second is you have to open with Microsoft Office. And here in the Google form, as I guided you, whatever the questions are there, suppose here you can click on the image icon. So here after clicking on image, you have to click on upload option and select the image, whatever the image that you made after cropping and resizing. So this technique will be useful, and this video is related with the image. So I hope you understood how to make your image ready, and at the last stage how you can upload into the Google form easily, so that your lot of time will be saved and your paper will be attractive in the Google form. So I hope friend you understood this concept, and thanks for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting the notification of next tutorial. Thank you.